like an easy climb up the stairs for you might be unattainable for those who are in a wheelchair. Good thing Swiss students have engineered something to change this.
This may look like an ordinary wheelchair, but it isn't. 10 Swiss students committed themselves in a wheelchair project with the objective to improve lives of people with disabilities around the world. The goal is to build an electric wheelchair which is able to climb stairs. And voila! At first, the students wanted to develop a robot that was capable of climbing stairs. Soon enough, it became a project of greater importance. The wheelchair can currently climb one stair, a second stair, and even tackle spiral staircases. The idea is simple, but the impact is tremendous. The Scalavo wheelchair is a student project that started in 2014 in Zurich. The wheelchair is an electric-powered and balances on two wheels while driving on even ground. To climb and descend stairs or overcome obstacles, a set of tracks can be lowered dynamically to keep the user level at all times. The driving speed on the stairs and balancing on the ground demonstrated in the video will be increased after further testing.